दोस्तों, अगर आप घर बैठे जेन्युइन वर्क फ्रॉम होम जॉब की तलाश में हैं, तो आज की वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत खास है। इस वीडियो में मैं आपको एक शानदार जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी के बारे में पूरी जानकारी दूंगा, तो वीडियो को अंत तक जरूर देखें और अगर चैनल पर नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक करें। चलिए बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए शुरू करते हैं।
Hello everyone, Vijaya from this side, and in this project we are going to learn about the tree instance segmentation. Okay, in this project some images are given. In that images there are so many trees are present, so you have to annotate and just go through the guidelines first. See, labeling guidelines and the common challenges. The first one is when annotating tree instance, follow these practical guidelines to ensure consistency and the accuracy. First one is shadow inside the tree crowns. Exclude the internal shadows from the tree mask. These areas should not be considered part of the crown as they may introduce noise in the segmentation. So here is our first point. You don't need to include any shadows while doing the annotations of the tree. If any tree contains their shadow, then just exclude that. Don't annotate, just leave it. And the second point is tree cast shadow. Avoid including shadows projected onto the ground outside the crown. Only the visible canopy should be annotated. In the images, the shadows are like the crowns of the trees. So you have to identify if any like dark marked, black color marked shadow is showing like this, then you don't need to annotate. See, clustered trees. In areas where trees are closer together, identify crown boundaries carefully. Crowns are adjusted but separable. Annotate them as a distant instance. So, in some images, some trees are like this, like shrubs, like hedges. So, you have to be aware of this. If any gaps are included, then you need to identify and draw a separate annotation from that tree. Overlapping crowns. When separation is unclear, use visual clues such as texture, brightness, and the crown shades to approximate boundaries. Maintain consistency across the similar places. So, in these overlapping crowns, you have to observe this thing. You don't need to any overlap annotations. Just avoid the overlap annotations. Use visible clues such as if in some images if there is any overlap or a trace, then you have to use the clues like texture, brightness, and the crown shapes. After that you have to draw annotations. Background interfaces. Exclude shrubs, grass, and the other non-tree elements even if they have similar color or texture. If you find any grasses or shrubs, then you don't need to annotate those. Only trees are going to be annotated in this project. Now I am going to show you the practical project of this tree segmentation. Okay, see, this is my image. Okay, this is my image. In this image now I'm going to annotate some trees. See, these are all trees. I think this image is not clearly visible, right? So you have to adjust the color setting. Just click on this, then observe color settings. See, I'm just going to decreasing the brightness, then the image will be dark or more. I'm going to increasing, then the trees are clearly visible, also with the context also. The saturation, yes, it will give a more clear visible. See, for the gamma it's just enough. It's enough. Okay, by adjusting these color setting you can easily identify what is tree and all. Now I am going to annotate. Just click on the "and" on your keyboard, then the tool will be activated. Then draw a perfect polygon around the tree. See, again click "and" on your keyboard. See, this is the tree, and what about this? This is the shadow of this tree, so you don't need to include this. Okay, in this project we are going to use a polygon. See, this is tree. This is tree. So these are all trees. Just avoid the grass, shadow, and shrubs. See, this black colored is the shadow of the trees. See, I think this part is missing. You can adjust like this. Yes, and this also. If the image is not clear to you, then take the print screen of that image, then give the correct prompt to the chat GPT and also paste the image there. Then it will give a clear version way of the image. While comparing those two images, then you can easily annotate. Okay, you can easily annotate. And about this small shadows, you have to identify where is the tree starts from. So here is the tree. The light green colored shape is tree. Here also. Here. This is the tree. You don't give any label to this annotations because there is only one label. Is tree. See here, these are all my annotations. What I'm just draw by using the polygon. Here is my labels, and you can count your polygon count by using this item. See here, from till now I'm just draw 16 polygons. Just before drawing the polygon, you have to zoom your images, because see, I just draw this polygon without zoom my image, so that's why it missed the edges. So you have to zoom your images as much as possible. Then after that you have to draw the polygons. Then it will give the clear shape of the trees. Okay, without zooming your image, please don't annotate. It doesn't give any correct shape. Okay, like this you have to annotate. And the thing is, you don't need to overlap any polygons like this. See, this is a tree and this is also a tree. Now I am just drawing the tree up to this, the tree contains. So like this, you don't need to like this. Just adjust this point. Overlappings are not allowed. Or otherwise, if you are having that, just delete the image, then it's also fine. See, and just draw the image annotation again. Just don't overlap any annotation. Like this you have to complete all your images. So this is also a tree. And observe, in this case the trees are overlapped. In this case you need to identify if there is any spaces are included, then you have to annotate. I think this is the shadow of the tree, and up to this just divide the trees like this. So this is also another tree. Don't overlap any annotation, any polygons. Just draw like this. Okay, like this you need to draw all trees in the images. Just always maintain the accuracy and the consistency. After just draw your annotation, save the image after 2 seconds. If you forgot to save your annotations, then the image not will be saved. You have to draw again. See, like this is a grass and this is also grass, and these are the shrubs. So you don't need to include this. Like this you need to annotate all the images. You need to annotate every single tree, like if there is a either it is a small tree or big tree, you need to annotate while identifying the shadows. I think I'm done. Yes, I'm done with my image. So like this you need to annotate for every image. I think it contains 54 annotations. Okay, just save the image, then go to the next image. Before annotating, you have to just don't forget to adjust the color settings. It is very important, because the color settings are given like this. By default the color settings are given like this. See, just observe the image, there is nothing we can see. So that's why just adjust the color settings until the image is clearly visible to you. Okay, thank you.